Hi, I'm Carrie with BTOD.com. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and assembly of the Vari Electric Standing Desk. This is how your desk will arrive if you buy directly from Vari. To note, the larger box does weigh 70 pounds and the smaller box weighs around 55 pounds. You may need someone to help you carry it or use a dolly to get it around your office. Let's get into the unboxing. First, remove and identify all parts. We recommend assembling the desk with the desktop face down in the box to prevent any surface scratching. Open the desktop box. Remove the desk legs from their box. Place the legs into the grooved areas on each side of the metal frame. Both legs will work on the right or left side. After each leg is placed into the grooved area, push the leg all the way back towards the outside of the frame, securing it in place to confirm it is properly aligned. Use the smaller hex key provided to securely tighten the screws and washers onto each leg. Once the legs are secured with screws and while the desk is still face down, lower the control box into the middle cavity of the metal frame. Then, slide the control box to engage the bracket that holds the control box in place. When the control box is secured, connect the leg cables to the corresponding control box inputs, M1 and M2. Locate the control panel and slide it into the bracket to attach. Once the panel is in place, connect its cable to the corresponding control box input, HS. You can use the included adhesive clips to secure the control panel cord to the underside of the desktop to keep it out of the way. Once the control box is secure and while the desk is still face down, place one foot on top of one leg aligning the screw holes. Using the larger hex key provided to securely tighten screws into the feet. Repeat this step to attach the other foot. Connect the power cord to the control box AC input. Once legs and feet are secure, two people should carefully flip the assembled desk along the back edge to avoid damaging the control panel to an upright position. And that was the unboxing and assembly of the Vari Electric Standing Desk. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we are going to have more videos on the Vari desk, and make sure you turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.